FICCI, for the first time, we are organizing an international conference, exhibition in Hyderabad. We have been organizing such events in Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi. But first time Hyderabad we are organizing this event. Basically, why Food 360? We want to cover all the aspects of the supply chain, right from growing, harvesting, post-harvesting and marketing, international marketing. All these aspects will be dealt in this international conference exhibition. More importantly, a lot of exhibitors, particularly in the food processing area, they will be coming and exhibiting their products and equipment during this conference. In addition to that, what we have done is the investment community, the private equity investors and venture capitalists and the angel investors, they will all be coming and participating in this conference. And if there are any budding entrepreneurs who want to get into this agriculture and food processing area, they can actually take advantage of meeting those people and how to raise funding for their new enterprises. That will be a specialty in this conference, and this is going to be annual international conference going to happen in Hyderabad on Food 360. And this year we are focusing on three sectors. One sector is fisheries, the other one is horticulture, the third one is dairy. So like that, every year we will be selecting three important sectors around the Food 360, and we will be focusing on those sectors. So this year those are the three sectors, and we will be adding those sectors year on year. First time we are doing, see, the reason why we have chosen Hyderabad is the rice bowl of India, and there are a lot of agri entrepreneurs are from Hyderabad, where there is mango growing, the horticulture area, chilies, lot of chilies from Guntur area, they are exporting this thing. But unfortunately, we are not able to provide this kind of networking opportunities for that agripreneurs to come to Hyderabad and network with policy making bodies from Government of India, Government of Andhra Pradesh, or investment community, or marketing people who are coming from other this thing. So unless we provide the networking opportunity, they will not be able to go from this stage to the next stage. That's the reason why we are conducting this. About 150 exhibitors are going to exhibit their products and showcase their technologies. Farmers are also invited for this conference, and budding entrepreneurs who wants to get into agriculture and food processing area, they will also be part of the delegates. And the people from Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh, these decision makers, for example, new food parks are being announced, and what are going to be there, what are the opportunities for entrepreneur in those food parks and all that. So all those things will be discussed during this thing. Apart from that, some of the core issues for farming community today, for example, a lot of people are not able to grow this thing because of labor problem, because of input costs are going up. They are not able to market this thing. They don't know how to process these issues. Are also going to be discussed threadbare, and so that the solutions arrived will be sent to the respective government agencies. At this point of time, we don't know how many countries will be participating. Definitely, countries like representatives from Israel and New Zealand and Thailand, where a lot of food processing companies are located in those countries, and definitely such companies will be participating.